Okay, hands are hands are moderately warm. Same clothes, different day, same sinus infection trying to come on. Weather update tomorrow, -10, wind chill, ice and snow for 3 days under freezing. It's pretty cold for Oklahoma. Might not be cold if you live in Minnesota. It's kind of normal. But down here in the plains, that's damn chilly. So anyway, okay, so today we're gonna put the braces on. Boom, jump off, bam. All right, there they are. I actually painted, well, it looks like I thought I painted them. There's a lot of not painted surface there. Well, how about that? I sprayed it and I didn't bother to even check to see if I completed it. That's pretty disappointing. All right, that's gonna have to be remedied. I will have to take those back inside and paint those. And I'll just do that right now. Let me look at the other one. The other one looks like it's better, maybe. Okay, I did better on this one. Okay, I did better. All right, well, I'll bolt this one up while that one's drying, because I'll have to take it into the house. I'll have to take it into the house to paint it, and the wife's not gonna be happy about that, but that's what's gonna happen. And I moved my paint into the sunroom also, so it's at like 65, 70 degrees in there. And so it'll work the way it's supposed to. So I'm gonna go put some paint on that, come back and I'll start bolting the other one up. That'll take about 30 minutes to dry, and then we'll put it on too. All right, let's get after it. Yeah, the battery died. Awesome. All right, let's talk about some disappointment. All right, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 6 failures of bolts. Literally just bound up and I spun them in half. That was a lot of effort. So I am now no longer a fan of the Hillman, no longer a fan of this product from my local hardware store. Made in Taiwan. I expect better. Yeah, I do.
Don't know my own strength.
Good thing there's 100 in there because they have a 50% failure rate. So that's good. 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 All right. I have all the bolts in except for 3 that I'm waiting for my drill battery to charge so I can bolt those up. Do I really need them? Probably not. That sucker ain't going anywhere. This one on the end, I would like one on the end, but this one in the middle here, I don't think I care about that. I don't. So I do need to drill one more hole and get one more bolt in, and then we'll call it good with those. And that's where we're at so far. So next thing we're gonna do after I get that drilled, put that in, is we're gonna try to fit it and see if everything works the way we expected it to. It's in. It's in. Yes. Yes, it is. It is in.
Smells like victory.
All right, that's still gonna be a challenge to weld a little bit, I think. Still gonna be some love taps necessary from the bottom and the top, I bet. You can see I already got some shit going on here. Seam sealer failing already. Cracked that. Got some more seam sealer needed there. All right, we're there. It's in. How exciting. Okay, it fits. More or less. Sort of. Mostly fits. It's gonna need some love taps with the hammer to keep it in place while I weld it. But I think I'm happy with it the way it is. Here's where I punched through on a couple of spots. That's gonna be a challenge. I'm not sure what we're gonna do there. I may have to pull this out and weld those up closed. I think those are inside of my channel in the back, so I can't put a bolt through them. So yeah, that's one thing we'll probably have to pull it out for. We'll need to weld over that. That's pretty much it though. But the rest of it, for the most part, is in. And I'm happy. I can live with it, actually. I think I'm glad I'm this far along. So, okay, let's... I think that's it for this week. All right. Thank you so much for tuning in. Like and subscribe if you like the content. I do enjoy emails with everyone, and I do enjoy messages. So thanks for the comments and thanks for the emails. Appreciate it. Inch by inch. We're almost there. We're getting so close. Still a lot to do. Lots of welding to do in the back there. I have a full tank of gas, went and picked it up the other day, and we're ready. So, all right, that's all I got. Have a good week. Thank you for tuning in. See you next week.